Good morning, guys. Now, today's morning start a new opposite words like a new sentences up, down, left, right, rich, poor, hate, love, inside, outside, all, none, visible, invisible. Now, again, never, always, late, early, less, more, male, female, happiness, sadness, fast, slow, old, young. Now again opposite word like in, out, hot, cold, soft, hard, stop, move, begin, finish, bad, good, short, tall. Now again opposite word like total, partial, here, there, tight, loose, huge, tiny, normal, strange, enemy, friend, child, adult. Now again new words like calm, excited, careless, careful, careless, careful, catch, miss, ceiling, floor, cellar, at attic, center, outskirts, certainly, probably, changeable, constant, cheap, expensive, child, adult, children, parents, clean, dirty, clear, cloudy, clever, stupid, close, open, closed, open, cloudy, clear, cold, hot, cold, heat, come, go, comedy, drama, complicated, simple, compliment, insult, compulsory, voluntary. Now again connect, separate, consonant, vowel, consonant, changeable, constructions, destructions, continue, interrupt, cool, warm, correct, wrong, courage, fear, courageous, cowardly, cowardly, brave, create, destroy, cruel, human, cry, whisper, cry, laugh. Now again new words like amazing, synonyms for islets: amazing, incredible, fantastic, fabulous, astonishing, extraordinary. Answer, respond, awful, terrible, abominable, dreadful. Bad like synonyms evil, spoiled, imperfect, infamous, dismal. Beautiful like synonyms words gorgeous, revising, dazzling, exquisite, and stunning. Like begin, synonyms words like initial, commerce, inaugurate, big like some synonyms words huge, enormous, genetic, humongous, substantial, mammoth. Now break like some synonyms words like a rupture, fracture, shatter. Now calm, serene, peace, and tranquil. Come, approach, arrive, cool, chilly, frosty, icy. Cut, chop, slash, slit. Dangers, hazards, risky, and treacherous. Decide, determine, settle. Defined, certain, positive, obvious, delicious, mouth watering, and flavorful. Now again synonyms words like defined, certain, positive, obvious, delicious like mouth watering and flavorful. Describe, portray, and characterize. Destroy, demolish, slay, ruin, raise. Difference mean disagreement, inequity, dissimilarity, dull, boring, uninteresting, monotonous, humdrum, dreary. End like a terminate, conclude, sessions, explain like new words, elaborate, interrupt, fall like a drop, descend, topple, famous like new words, well known, renowned, eminent, illustrious, fast like a quick, rapid, hasty, snappy, swift, fat like a slot, corpulent, chubby, bulky, funny like a amusing, humorous, droll, hilarious, get, acquire, obtain, secure, procure, gather. Good, like a synonymous word, excellent, fine, wonderful, superior, gracious, superb, splendid, genuine, sterling, top notch. Now again opposite words like a exposure, shelter, export, import, expensive, cheap, exit, entrance, exclude, include, exciting, boring, excited, calm, exactly, approximately, everything, nothing, everybody, nobody, evening, morning, even, odd, equal, different, entrance, exit, enter, leave, enjoy, hate, enemy, friend, die, live, dictatorship, republic, devil, angel, destruction, constructions, destroy, build, deseparate, hopeful, descent, ascend, descendant, ancestor, departure, arrival, depart, arrive, Danny, admit, delicious, awful, defend, attack, defense, attack, defeat, victory, deep, shallow, death, birth, cold, heat, cold, hot, cloudy, clear, close, open, clever, stupid, clear, cloudy, clean, dirty, children, parents, child, adult, cheap, expensive, changeable, constant, certainly, probably, center, outskirts, cellar, attic, ceiling, floor. Now again opposite words like ending, end, begin, empty, full, emigrant, immigrations, emigrate, immigrate, elementary, advanced, easy, difficult, east, west, early, late, dusk, down, dull, interesting, drama, comedy, dry, humid, downstairs, upstairs, down, up, domestic, foreign, divorced, married, divorce, marriage, dread, alive, day, night, daughter, son, dawn, dusk, dark, light, dangers, safe, danger, security, damage, repair, cry, laugh, cry, whisper, cruel, human, create, destroy, cowardly, brave, constant, changeable, consonant, vowel, compulsory, voluntary, connect, separate, complement, insult, complicated, simple, catch, miss, careless, careful, careful, careless, calm, excited, buy, sell, busy, lazy, build, destroy, brother, sister, blood, narrow, break, fix, brave, cowardly, boy, girl, bottom, top, borrow, lend, boring, exciting, bore, amuse, blunt, sharp, black, white, bitter, sweet. Now again some common opposite words like bore, amuse, busy, lazy, buy, sell, about, exactly, above, below, allow, forbid, lose, win, loser, winner, loud, quit, miss, hit, already, not yet, argue, agree, arrest, free, arrival, departure, arrive, depart, artificial, nature, ascend, descent, ask, answer, asleep, awake, attack, defend, catch, miss, ceiling, floor, comedy, drama, complicated, simple, approximately, exactly, compliment, insult, day, night, dead, alive, death, birth, deep, shallow, defeat, victory, defense, attack, defend, attack, work, rest, yes, no, empty, full, fix, break, flat, hilly, off, on, give, take, go, come, harvest, plant, humid, dry, hungry, thirsty, woman, men, elementary, advanced, emigrate, immigration, immigrations, foreground, background, husband, wife, in front of, back, ignore, notice, body, pool, calm, excited, careful, careless, careful, ill, healthy, miss, catch, moderate, extreme, moon, sun, near, distant, negative, affirmative, sad, happy, never, always, new, inside, occupied, vacant, odd, even, girl, boy, presence, absence, present, past, private, public, nephew, nice, immigrate, emigrate, immigration, emigration, slim, fat, there, here, thick, thin, thin, thick, young, old, floor, ceiling, follow, lead, forbid, allow, for, against, safe, dangers, safety, danger, same, different, satisfaction, regret, satisfy, annoy, save, spend, useless, useful, vacant, occupied, valley, mountain, vertical, horizontal, victory, defeat, whole, part, wide, narrow, winter, summer, sadness, happiness, yesterday, tomorrow. Now, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.